Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have another bag. Let's open that. Okay, look like we got some mittens here. Some tissue paper there. Joined by this clasp here. It says 3M Thinsulate insulation. Look around here. So it has padding up top, and then like this waterproof fabric here. Way to tighten the gloves here. And then on this side, supposedly these are like touch sensitive as well, so you can use your phone while having the mittens on. They're both the same. Let's see if it fits me. So it has the strap like any other glove for skiing, snowboarding, and yep. Not sure how good the touch is gonna be, but yeah, it does fit. And this will be great for my next snowboarding trip. And if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.